48 nations begin. Only one leaves with the trophy. Everything in between is carefully designed. By the end of this, you'll understand exactly how the World Cup tournament works from the opening match to the final whistle. Let's start at the beginning. The World Cup is not a straight knockout competition. It happens in two stages: the group stage, then the knockout stage. Each stage has a different purpose. The group stage decides who deserves another chance. The knockout stage decides the champion. Step 1. The group stage. The 48 qualified teams are divided into 12 groups. Each group contains 4 teams. Every team plays the other 3 teams once. That means each nation plays 3 matches. No more. No less. Points decide the standings. 3 points for a win. 1 for a draw. None for a defeat. Simple. The more points you collect, the higher you finish. If teams finish level on points, tiebreakers are used. The most important is goal difference. Goal difference is the number of goals scored minus the number conceded. Score more than you allow, life becomes much easier. When every group is finished, the top 2 teams from each group qualify automatically. That gives us 24 teams. Then the 8 best third-place teams also advance. Now 32 teams remain. The real pressure begins. Step 2. The knockout stage. Lose once, go home. Win once, keep playing. It really is that simple. The first knockout round is the round of 32. Then come the round of 16. Quarterfinals, semi-finals, and finally the World Cup final. Each match removes half the remaining teams. 32 becomes 16. 16 become 8. 8 become 4. 4 become 2. Then only one champion remains. But what happens if a knockout match finishes level? Football has another plan. The match goes to extra time. Extra time is 30 additional minutes split into 2 halves of 15 minutes. Think of it as football's final opportunity to find a winner without penalties. Still level. Then comes a penalty shootout. Each team takes 5 penalties. If the scores remain tied, the shootout continues 1 kick at a time until one team wins. Simple to explain. Almost impossible to watch if you support one of the teams. In theory, the World Cup rewards the strongest team. In practice, it rewards the team that performs at exactly the right moments. One injury, one mistake, one brilliant save. Months of preparation can disappear in seconds. That is why every match feels bigger than the last. The deeper a team goes, the smaller the margin for error becomes. By the time the final arrives, there are no easy matches left. Every opponent has already survived everything the tournament could throw at them. So the World Cup is not just one competition. It is 2 competitions connected together. First survive the groups, then survive everybody else. That is the road every world champion must travel. The game has not changed. You have. Now you know how it works. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. It means a lot.